Good evening, good day, good morning, friends, business partners based upon your time zone. It's KG Mukwena. We are here. We meet on almost every day, so to speak, as per the schedule that we have for our RoyalQ business opportunity. As you can see, the page that I'm sharing here is Welcome to the Future. And I'm of the opinion that Leadership CJ, you can see what I'm sharing on the screen. Am I correct? RoyalQ.
Yes, we can see.
Wow, thank you so much. I'm confirming with you because we were talking earlier. There's a lot of activity behind the scenes in Soweto there. So yeah, it is awesome. And I see also Leadership Simakaleng, welcome. And I believe that you're going to enjoy the session. You can see what you see, the face of this, it looks like a human being, but this is a robot, you know, so we are investing into artificial intelligence, so to speak. When you pay subscription, it means you are buying this product. This is a digital robot that will be going in and out of the crypto markets, trading for you, taking profit and going back to buy those digital assets and trading like that. And that is incredible. It's quantitative trading, business opportunity, where there are some good dividends that are taking place in USDT as you continue to trade this. It's a powerful strategy, artificial intelligence. You don't need to worry about the market dynamics, whether it's up or it's going down. You don't need to worry about that. And this gives you peace of mind, friends, wherever you are. It's a great opportunity where you reap a lot in a space of 24/7. Through and through for the entire year. This robot based upon artificial intelligence will be going in and out of the markets, generating profits for you. This is peace of mind. It's real-time strategy, and everything that is triggered by the robot will take place in your exchange, and this is peace of mind. Very simple and easy to operate. You might have not been exposed to this before, but do not worry. There's always what we call a first time. You do have a first time where you'll be exposed to operating this robot so that it is able to work for you, either in your Yobi Global Exchange or in your Binance Exchange, or it can work on both of them simultaneously. That is incredible. So we're going to help you in terms of how to go about getting this done, friends. So you don't need to worry much. There's a team that is going to be working with you. We are using Binance. Binance is an exchange of cryptocurrencies. When you click CoinMarketCap, when you check the website www.coinmarketcap, or you just go coinmarketcap.com, you will see on your Google search engine, for instance, you will see that on the tab or the page of the exchanges, Binance is #1 in the world. #2 is Yobi Global. We are using the best exchanges throughout the world to trade with this RoyalQ robot, which means our RoyalQ robot is the best. And it is able to trade very fast in a split of milliseconds. It's able to take profits for you just like that. This Binance started in 2017 and today is #1 in the world. Not only that, in 2013, so to speak, Yobi Global has been established and it's been pushing like crazy. You can also check that Yobi Global is a good exchange. I know a lot of you know Luno, you know CEX, you know Altcoin Trader, Vala, and so forth, simply because they have your local currencies, friends. But I'm telling you, being in Binance and Yobi Global, it's a real deal in the world of crypto. So you should be excited that the person that has informed you of this business, they've also introduced you to such exchanges. Now, this robot is going to be doing quantitative trading for you. You do not lose your money. Your money remains in your exchange. Whether the market move up or down, no matter what happens in the markets, the responsibility of the bot is to sell when the profit has been realized and is to buy when the markets drop. Buying low, selling high. Buying low, selling high. Through and through, 24/7. This is the responsibility of this robot. This is quantification trading. It's all about increasing the quantity of your asset. It's just as simple as that, friends, and that is incredible. So now imagine when you are making use of this and you are trading and you keep on pushing through and through, amazing things will happen for you. Spot trading, the essence of trading profit is to buy low and sell high. Through big data analysis, we can buy low and sell high to earn the difference in price. And that is how actually we generate more money. And now we don't do this ourselves, friends. We rely on the robot to cope with the pressure of the ups and downs, and profits are generated for us. So this is peace of mind, and you don't lose your money. That should make you happy. So to come on board, it's very easy. You get a sponsors link. The person that has informed you of the business, they are actually going to issue you with the link. After you've gotten the link, you'll register for free. After you've registered, you've got an access to RoyalQ app, where you will have a user guide. You'll go through user guide, you'll learn more there. And not only that, there is what we call quantitative course. You will go through some tutorial videos for free. You'll have an understanding of so many other things. You'll even learn how to do API binding. That is application processing unit. Interface, so to speak. There are people who are actually, I'm thinking of something here. There are people who are actually charging people money out there just to do API binding. So, but with RoyalQ, you are able to get that information for free. Imagine. So that's incredible, you know, that is application processing interface. So this software makes it possible for you to have communication between two platforms. That is your robot and your exchange. And that is incredible. Imagine money grow, for instance, in your Luno account, simply because there is trading of cryptos that is taking place because you have a robot that is working for you. Unfortunately, the RoyalQ robot does not participate on Luno. It works only on bigger exchanges, which is where there's more money, where there's more liquidity. That is Binance and the Yobi Global. Friends, to be active, subscription is $120 US. With $120 US, you will be able to subscribe for the whole year, and you'll also have $20 US worth of gas fees. Gas fees is what needs to be paid for the board to work. It's just as simple as that. And when you generate profits, profits are shared according to the ratio of 80:20, meaning you keep 80% of the profits and the board will claim 20% of the profits, which you are going to be making provision for. That is why when you start, we recommend that you start with 120, and from today the 9th, you are required to subscribe with $120 US, meaning that when you have 120, you will be able to pay for $100 and also to have provision of the gas fees. It's very important. If time allows, I will show you one of the accounts that the robot is not working simply because the the gas fees has stopped. And I'm going to show you this. I think it's going to be very important for this session. Now, not only that, friends, we have applications. This is an app like WhatsApp app. We have RoyalQ app. This RoyalQ app, you download it through the link of the person that has invited you this. You must follow the correct website when you do that. There's a lot of counterfeit apps out there. Make sure that you do not fall prey, you know, for some scams and so forth out there. Use the correct link of the person that informed you to download. The same referral link, when you click on it, you'll see a place where you can put in your information, your email address, confirm the code to your email and sign up just like that for free. And not only that, when you scroll to the bottom, you'll see a download button. That's where you get the correct app. Please download the correct app so that you don't lose your money. When you're on App Store, that is Apple, iPhone, you do that. And then Android, you know, Samsungs and so forth, you go for Google Play and download the correct application. Rewards, you make money by the bot trading for you. And not only that, you also make money by promoting or by selling this robot to other partners so that they also benefit from this powerful robot that is not becoming tired, that is so consistent in taking profits. Now, you can see what is happening at the moment, that there are different levels, you know, that you can go through. There's VIP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The highest is 6, which is the Royal Partner. Now, in terms of activation, the company pays you minimum 30%. You know, this is a startup reward 30% of that $100 will be paid to you, which is $30. You are paid from $30 up to $70 in terms of subscription. Every time when someone subscribes, you make money. When you are on VIP 1, you make $30. When you are on VIP 2, you make $40. VIP 3, you make $50. It goes up like that. Imagine a company that pays you so much, minimum 30%. This is incredible. And not only that, team rewards. When you connect people through your sponsors link, every time this robot makes profits for them, you're going to be earning part of those profits from the company, which is minimum 20% up to 60% of what RoyalQ is making through the partners that you bring on board. Why will someone come on board? Someone will come on board because they want the robot to make money for them. And as the robot makes money for them, the company claims how much? 20% of the profits. Not only that, the company will be sharing that 20% with you. From 20% of what they have received will be shared with you up to 60%. Friends, this is incredible because it takes place all the time. Within a split of seconds, as the robot is busy making profits for its subscribers, the company in the background is sharing profits with you. And that is incredible. To be on V1, you simply need to register and then subscribe. Once you have done that, you qualify for $30 when people subscribe through your link. And not only that, 20% of profit sharing from your team, the company is going to share with you. And that is incredible. Now you can see how the table is. It shows you that for you to be on V1, these are the levels. And then there are conditions that you need to meet here. You need to have 3 people that activate, like you have activated on V1, but you must have 20 people in your team in total for you to be on V2. What does this mean? It simply means that when you have 3 people who are linked to you, you must just add 17 more. In total, your team must have 20. When you have 17 more from your 3 direct, then you qualify for VIP 2 earnings or rewards. What does that mean? Instead of you earning 30% when someone activates their board, you'll be earning $40. You'll be earning 40%, which is $40. And instead of you earning 20%, you'll be earning 30% when profit sharing takes place. Every time when the board sells, money comes into your RoyalQ account. And this is incredible, friends. And remember, the board makes money for the partners in their own exchanges. And that is incredible. But please make sure always you have more gas fees in your account. If gas fees drop below 2%, the board stops working. That is what is happening. So make sure you always have more money for the gas fees in your account. This company is in different countries as we speak today. They want to hit more than 100 countries within a space of 12 months. And not only that, they are in a business of raising $1 billion USDT. This is either, friends, this is good news. They want to raise this much money in a space of a year. So you are being invited to come and partake from this. Get your share of 1 billion that is being produced by the robot for the users. I'm already tapping into those profits and it's incredible. We are making money out of this platform. It's just as simple as that. With peace of mind, 24/7, you profit now. This is indeed a new generation trader, friends. It's just as simple as that. You free your eyes. You don't always need to be watching the charts. You free your hands. You can be busy doing other things out there. You can spend time, good time with your family, loved ones, so to speak, and not only that, and you will enjoy amazing financial management performed by this robot for you, and you make money in ways never seen before on daily basis, friends. And as a matter of fact, I'm pushing the business. I see every second there's money that is being pumped into my RoyalQ app simply because they are traders who are connected through my sponsors link, trading in the business, and the robot is generating money for them in their own exchanges. And not only that, the partners, they see profits coming in and they continuously be doing what? Pushing or making provision for what we call the gas fees. It's just as simple as that. The robot cannot make withdrawals in your exchange, that is Binance or the Yobi Global. It cannot do that. It can only trade. It only reads your USDT balance and it takes trades according to the set parameters. You can allocate, let's say you've got $1,000 US. It's up to you which strategy you want to use. Let's say you can take $200, you trade Bitcoin, maybe another $200. I'm giving an example. You trade, let's say Ether or Ethereum, so to speak. We can trade Cardano with another portion of your balance. You can trade Shiba Inu, you can trade Tron and so forth. We have just above 70 types of cryptos that you can trade through this robot. Friends, business partners, there is money in RoyalQ. It's just as simple as that. The robot does not become tired. The robot does not take sick leaves. It is working for you through, and that is incredible. So with that being highlighted, thank you so much. You might actually be having some questions that you like to ask. There's money in this business. That's what I would like you to know. You only pay subscription once for the whole 12 months, and then the bot will be working for you, including Saturdays and Sundays. It does not have sick leaves, no annual leaves, no compassionate leaves. This is a robot. It's working for you, no emotions attached. It is generating money for you through and through, and it's incredible. It's amazing. So every time, even midnight, after midnight, I'm able to go into my account and I can see exactly what is happening. So Sharon, there's something wrong with your connectivity, but it's okay. So I hope you'll get it right. And then, yeah, that's it. And friends, business partners, let's hear from those that are present here. If you are here for the first time, please understand this platform is for you also. We prepared this Zoom with you in mind, so feel free to engage with us. Talk to us. Let's engage, let's share, and we'll help you come on board with a smile so that we make money together. Only 3 months to go to the end of this year, 2021. You see, I'm saying 3 months because today is the 9th and the next month is October, November, December, and it's done for 2021. It doesn't matter how you started the year, but it's very important how you're going to come out of this year. Based on the decisions that you make today, it's just as simple as that. Let's rely on the power of artificial intelligence, on the robots to make sure that they accumulate profits for us, just like that. So thank you so much for your attention. Leaders, let's engage. There's something you'd like us to talk about. Let's do it now. We are here because we want to make the money, and we are making the money. So I wanted to share something. I'm quickly getting ready to connect, and I hope it will make a difference as I will be sharing not long from now. Let's hear from other partners, please.
Thank you very much, my leader, and greetings to all the leaders online. Exciting times indeed, and thank you very much for a clear presentation that you just given to us. And you are so right, it's very, very exciting to be in this space at this time. So it is the miracle of the crypto. So you cannot be left behind. We need to journey together, as you say, that whoever that is new, they mustn't really worry because we work as a team here. We are available for each other, and it is your business. It's in your control. You know, for a change, everything is happening within your space with your own control at your own time as well. So that's very, very exciting. Leaders, do we have any questions online? Someone wants to ask any question, please, you're free to do so. Leader Tosby, we have not heard from you. How is going?
Okay.
Oh, we lost Leader Tosby online. All right. No, he muted everything. Leader Lucia, how's the UK? Talk to us. Are you excited? What's happening in your end, on your end there?
Okay. Hi, leaders.
Yes, my leader.
I'm very much excited with this business, and I can see that money is coming. All I can tell you is if we keep on working and not look back, and look forward. We are going to make it in this business.
Hmm.
I really like it, and I thank you, Leader KG, for introducing me to the business. I'm so excited. I'm fired up.
That's very, very exciting. And I'm sure it's going to be easy for you as well to share it with confidence because you've seen it. You know, you can only share what you have seen and you gain confidence in it.
That's exactly what I was telling my leader, that, you know, once you see the results and you see that, yes, it's working, that's when you have the confidence to go out and tell whoever you want to tell. But I just want to tell those who have not yet decided that they are wasting their time, this is the right time. By December, somebody should be excited and feeling that, yes, it's a period where people need to celebrate, and you'll have your own money in your pocket. So let's go for it, guys. Let's just go for it. Let's not waste time.
Very, very interesting. Thank you very much for sharing. And I must say, I'm looking at your screens that you share as well. We can see the performance. It's very exciting. And you know, people
it was a performance just for one day. Can you imagine? I did that in one day.
Yeah, no, that performance was something.
So I was like, no, I'm getting one. I'm not going back. Kids anymore. I can't put them. Never.
No, that's very nice. Yes, it is your money. All right, my leader, over to you. We can see the someone's account, which is looking very nice. Leader KG.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. I was trying to fix the issue of connectivity now. So can you see this account? The last trading was on the 17th of August, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is simply because gas fees got depleted, you know. The gas fees got depleted. There are some positions that has been still being held in what is that? In Binance, so to speak. And then if you are to look, you can see that trading was there on the 16th, on the 17th, but it stopped simply because of gas fees. So it's very important, friends, to make sure that you make provision for gas fees. Now you can see, you can see how much do you see on the asset?
0.694.
Yes, that is less than $2. That is why when someone comes on board, we start them with $20. But that does, if you're trading with a bigger account, at least make more provision for your gas fees to make sure that money is generated for you. You know, it's something of that nature. So it's very important. If you are to check the balance here, can you see how much the balance is on Binance?
Okay, $1,000, 1,067.
Yes, and then if you check here, you can see I'm going to home, I'm on home, bottom left, and let's go to revenue next to API binding revenue. We check how much the business has been making. So now you can see there were days, I don't know how these things have been here. There were days where the board was making smaller amounts, and then some days it made bigger amounts because maybe the owner of the account makes withdrawals or what, we don't know. But if you check, you can see on the 16th and on the 18th, the trading volume was increased. So which simply means that the owner of the account made maybe more money into Binance, of which we have seen, and there's more trading that is going on, which means that you must also make provision for the gas fees. Remember, as the board is busy making money for you in your Binance, the money that you see on home, on revenue, for instance, that money is what? It is your profit.
Finished.
It's your profits that go into your Binance. You can see Binance already has $1,000 there. You know, so what you need to do then, some of the money then, don't just rely on the $20 that you might have started with when you paid 120. But if you know you came into this business to make money, don't just put small amount. Hey, go bigger. Put maybe potential amount for gas fees. because you know that you'll be taking more money home out of the board. The board is working, and the board is not a human being. If there are no gas fees, it stops working. It won't say, no, you've been friends for some time, it will just work for you without petrol. No, you must make provision for gas so that money keeps on being generated for you. Now imagine how much this account could have achieved by now if it stopped on the 17th of August, you know. So the owner of the account, it's not interested in what is happening in this, you know. And later said, they just said, no, the board stopped trading. Okay, they said everything stopped. How can you say everything stopped? It doesn't make sense. Then when I log in, look what is happening. When you check on Binance, on Huobi, there's nothing on home. Do you understand? Then I asked myself, what happened? Then when I go to my asset, I realized that the board does not have money for gas. If it doesn't have money for gas, and then which is part of its 20% as it is selling for you. Remember, the board can sell for you 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 a.m. The board can sell for you. You are asleep, but the board is waking simply because gas fees is available, and which is part of the 20% of the profits that you are enjoying in your Binance. So just make provision. Don't just keep all the money. Take something for the board. Always make sure that your board has got money to work. No, that is gas fees. It's part of the profits. It's a very smart business. The board will never take the money in your Binance. Look at these friends. The board shows you that it can see that there's $1,000 in your Binance, but it cannot go and take it. It's your money. You are the one who has to make a deposit to bring that money in here. You see? And then if you bring the money into the board, you will click on asset. You click on asset. When you click on asset, you click on deposit. When you click on deposit, you will see now the TRC, the chain name, the network name is TRC20, not ERC, please. And then go into your Binance, copy this address of your own account, you know, you copy it, the system will see successfully copied. Quickly go into your Binance and push a certain amount of gas fees into the system and let the trading begin.
How was the food? Good.
Yeah.
So you finished?
I hope it makes sense, and thanks so much for paying attention. We're not going to take long leadership Bitcoin in Soweto.
All right.
Yes, we're not going to take long. Oh, this is
It's Lucius, it's been disturbing. Thank you so much, my leader. So all in all, you are saying that a car without a petrol cannot move. That's a bottom line.
Cannot move, yeah.
Yes, so you need to have a full tank all the time so that you can actually sustain the journey ahead.
That is so true.
Yes, so thank you very much again. So we will meet again tomorrow, same time for the same presentation. And thank you everyone that is online. Let's go out and share the good news. We're sharing the reality, we're telling the truth. We're not creating lies and wrong hype. It is happening. We can see it in ourselves, in our accounts. So we are very grateful. Thank you so much, my leader. We are going to take our powerful slogan, RoyalQ, and we say welcome to the future. RoyalQ.
Can I say something?
Oh, okay.
We go there?
Yes, Lucia.
Yes. Yesterday we actually failed to go to a meeting because our leader had a problem with power. So my suggestion was that maybe we should arrange in such a way that we all leaders, even if he's not there, Mam Tuli can take over, CJ can take over, Benji can take over, and then we proceed with the meeting because we are talking about the same thing. We will be discussing exactly what he was going to talk about. Yes. So how about that, doing that next time so that we don't have to waste one day wasted.
Can you do this? Can you create a WhatsApp group of presenters, né? And then please add us in there, Pastor Benji, myself, and anyone that is interested even in this, so that we go in there, we share spreadsheets, we share what we need to share, and the rules of Zoom, so that people know exactly what needs to be done. And I also know leadership, that is Morams, also wants to be part of the presenters. It's a very brilliant idea, leadership in New York there. Thank you so much. We really appreciate.
Thank you so much. That's exciting because that's actually a sign of a teamwork. You know, we don't rely on one person. We are actually empowering ourselves, and we are ready to go out there and talk with one voice with clear understanding. Yeah, thank you very much.
And she must also add leadership Tozi B. Tozi B speaks a lot in the Zoom sessions. We need her on board, you know.
And let me tell you something. It's not about people who can talk. Right now, it's like we are shy. And just being shy doesn't mean that you cannot talk. Once you get onto the floor, you'll just see everything coming. So just take the chance and say, okay, today I'm going to say something. And you'll see, you know, and you get used to it. It's something that needs practice, because if you don't practice it, you'll always come to the meeting, listen, and you don't even say a word and you are gone. And it's not nice. We need to all talk. Even if it's nonsense, sometimes we talk the nonsense that can help others.
That is very powerful. Thank you so much for that. Please build up the group for presenters. Or if you think the group is not important, let's have a way of engaging it in our WhatsApp groups then, so that it gets going.
Perfect. I'm happy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
RoyalQ.
Welcome to the future.
To the future.
Welcome to the future.
RoyalQ.
RoyalQ.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future.
RoyalQ.
Till we meet again, may the good Lord bless you and your family. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I see the comrade in New York there. That feast.